Hey everybody, did you know that marketing really is not magic? It is really just math. And I think I have a spreadsheet that will show you exactly that. Welcome to a new segment called 2 Minute Tuesday. Whoa. All right, so we're going to try something new. This is called 2 Minute Tuesdays. And 2 Minute Tuesdays are about providing little nuggets of information or a thoughtful question that you guys can think about during your week. Now, to get started, obviously, we need a timer. Now, this week's 2 Minute Tuesday is about the hocus pocus of marketing. Really, I don't think there's any hocus pocus to marketing. There's a lot of psychology which can make it seem like hocus pocus or magic, but there really is an easy way to approach your marketing process that doesn't require knowing that psychology or trying to come up with the perfect marketing plan before you start. The problem is, nobody can create that marketing program for you because nobody is in your specific business, in your specific area, delivering the services that you deliver in the way that you do. So, step number one, where do we start? Well, we want to start with the people that we're trying to get into our business to become customers. And you probably know them better than anybody else. So you're going to start with what you think appeals to them and what is going to make them respond. Don't worry about all the, mumbo jumbo psychology. It's important and it's relevant, but the more important thing is to just go ahead and get started. It's easier to try something, experiment with it, measure the results, and then decide whether to repeat it or discard it based on the results than it is to design something and spend a whole bunch of time designing it to only then find out that it doesn't work. Now, the reason why it's so different is because there are so many different types of people, social influences, and things like that. The small business owner in Iowa is very different than the small business owner in New York City. There are different influences, there are different personalities, there are different requirements, there are different needs. They might even have different goals. Instead of trying to figure out what makes your target market click by design, figure it out by experimentation. There are some very inexpensive things that you can try in terms of marketing and gather those results. And if it worked, then repeat it. And by agile processes, improve on it so that it becomes more and more predictable as you go. That's why I created this spreadsheet. It's really just an adaptation of the spreadsheet that I used when I was an MSP, and it allows you to track all of your different marketing campaigns so that you can then go through and find out which ones were most effective and cost effective so that you can go back and repeat them. Now, an important part of the repetitive process, say that 3 times fast, is the ability to improve once you found something that works. Because once you found something that works, you actually want to gradually improve it to make it more and more predictable and more cost effective. Now, in order to get a copy of this spreadsheet, please go to the All Things MSP Facebook group. And if you haven't joined, go ahead and request to join, and we usually respond to those within about 24 hours. Once you have access, you can click on the other link in the description, and that'll take you directly to the file. I look forward to your comments. I look forward to your success. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to make sure you're notified when I post the next 2 Minute Tuesday. See ya.